Hello everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to launch your very own Memecoin on Ape.Store. So Ape.Store is quite an OG launchpad. It supports Base, Ethereum, and BNB chain. So for those of you that are not aware, Ape.Store is quite an OG platform. It has a lot of really nice runners that came out of it. Specifically, Miggles is one of them. There's now a nice one. Shield is at 500k market cap. So there's quite a few of really popular tokens that come out of Ape.Store. There's also a lot of not so great tokens that come out. So you have to be careful about what you decide to purchase, or if you do decide to play around with these tokens. So anyway, in this tutorial we'll be talking about just a simple deployment for Ape.Store. So to get started, let's get right to it. Click create token, and here you have two options. You have base and BSC. So this is all self-explanatory. For base, we have three different Uniswap options. We have the V2 option, where there is no LP fees. Once your token reaches 70k market cap, then it will just bond straight onto Uniswap V2. But until then, it will be part of the Ape.Store bonding curve. So that is for V2. For V3, we have a 1% LP fee, and it's shared 50-50 between Ape.Store and between you. So this means that technically you would just be getting a 0.5% LP fee, and Ape.Store gets the rest. So that is very simple. Uniswap V3 deployment, a 1% pool. They also have support for V4, which is really cool. But in this case, they don't have any custom hook options or anything like that. But they do have the same 50-50 split with the 1% pool. So first thing you do is let's go ahead and fill out some of this information. Select an image, a name, a symbol, a description, and some socials. And we'll hit deploy. So let's go ahead and fill out some information. Okay, here we go. So we just are gonna go with amazing potato, a potato, just a random name. I got a ChatGPT image here. Make sure it's under 512 kilobytes, so it's a square image. Socials, we don't have any here, so we'll add it later. For a real deployment, you do want to add some socials. And so for the protocol, we'll go with V4. Why not? But usually I would recommend to go with V3 if you want the most volume, or V2. But honestly, V3, in my opinion, is one of the best options if you do want to launch a token. So actually, in this case, we'll go with V3. So click deploy token. And here we have some options. So we can also do a dev buy. This means that we can buy right off the bat. So we can do a little bit of a buy, which will give us about 0.1% of the supply. So this is a really nice calculator. So usually you want to have below 3% supply. So technically we could go up to about $100 worth to get about 3% supply. But in this case, this is just a dev launch, a test launch. So we're not going to be doing any buys. So click OK. So now it should ask for a transaction. Go ahead and confirm this. And there we go. Now the transaction is submitted. And let's see here. We can see our token right here. Amazing potato, a potato. And this is our token. We can buy and sell it straight from the interface right here. There is a holder count, I believe. And we have some trades and a live chat. You can make a reply. You can say, hello, everybody. So, yeah, and every time you make a reply, I guess it will ask you for a signature. This doesn't cost you anything. This is just a signature to essentially make a post. So yeah, we have this. And again, this is on base chain. You could check in a DEX screener, and you see right now we don't have any information because there are no trades. So at this point, you would just try and push this token. Maybe you add some socials, or maybe you have some groups you want to push it to. But yeah, Ape.Store is a really nice platform to launch tokens. The reason being is that it is free. So you do not need to pay anything to launch tokens, just the gas fees, as the token deployment form shows. And the other good thing is there's a very high ceiling of potential. We have some really nice runners that came out of Ape.Store, like Miggles, and a lot of multi-million-dollar meme coins came out of this. So again, here we have some other cool memes. Really great launchpad. They're keeping it really low key. I love the simplicity of the whole platform, and I think that's really what plays in their favor. So thank you guys all for checking out this video. And if you want to see how to launch Memecoin on 4.meme, you will see a video in the overlay. 4.meme is one of the most popular launchpads on BNB chain, which is quite a hot talk of the town right now. So yeah, thank you guys all for checking out this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any more requests or questions, please make sure to leave them in the comment below. And make sure to follow our X. Peace.